working with register page. For working with register page, here I have a demo URL of register page. Here I'm running this program. So when I'm running this program, you can see I can get a register page here. Okay, so page was successfully launched. So here, when I'm working with this register page, I need to fill the each and every field here. I need to fill each and every field. Now the my first element is mail. I need to click here. Now right click and inspect and enable the inspector and click on the selectable element. Now here I'm getting the ID is the attribute value. Click here. We are getting a separate blue box here. Okay. Now what we need to do, I am taking here ID equals to gender. Double click on the ID. So now control C and control F. So simply we are getting two matches. Okay. It's fine. So one is for ID and second is for label. So I required a input type, right? So it was getting in a first preference only. Now, so minimize the page. Minimize the page. So here I find an element with ID locator. So here I'm initializing the web element gender male equals to driver dot find element by dot ID. So here I inspected the gender male. If you require, you can inspect the gender female also. Now ID is control V. This is the ID. So we all are know when I'm using so gender male dot click. When I'm using gender male dot click, the implementation should be clicking on the gender male. The implementation should be clicking on the gender male. Now again I'm going to the page here. So what is the second element? Click on the inspector and go for the element. Element is first name. So click on inspector and go to the element. Element is first name. It was taking that ID, I think. So here again you can take the ID value. ID equals to first name. Double click on it. It should be copy and selected. It controls and control F. So control V. Can see guys, it will getting one of three, but you can observe here. First one is per equal to first name. ID equal to first name. Third one is data value message per equals to first name. But ID only is the locator. So I'm taking this ID for first name. Now web element, web element, first name equals to driver dot find element by dot find element by dot ID inside the double quotes control D. ID equals to first name we got, and what we need to do, first name dot send keys, first name dot send keys, and the send keys I'm giving here Surya. I'm giving a Surya and semicolon. Okay. Now guys, here as per our requirement, it will enters the name inside the web page. Now I'm inspecting the last name. I'm inspecting the element. The element name is last name. Here ID equals to last name. ID equals to last name. Double click on it. Control C. Copy. Now minimize the page. Here I'm not following the web element again. We all are know there is another syntax. Driver dot find element by dot ID. Now control V. Sorry, control Z inside the double quotes. Control V. Now here I'm sending the keys dot send keys dot send keys. The send keys are inside the double quotes. I'm giving a TECH tech. I'm giving a tech and semicolon. Okay. Now you can see guys. So as per this program, it will click on gender mail and it will give Surya and it will enter the text. Again, I'm opening the same page. Here I'm creating a mail. Here I'm creating a mail. Guys, here you can observe. So here I'm getting a input is the tag name. Email is the some attribute value. Here you can see input is the tag name. So you can observe here, input is the tag name, class is the attribute, and this blue color one is attribute value. Now, ID equals to email. Double click on it, Control C, Control S. Here I am getting total 8 matches. So if you are getting 3 matches or 2 matches, easily we can find. Now here, what I am doing means I am introducing the XPath here. Now, current node, I am using this current node and the tag name is input. Input is the tag name and open at the rate id equals to single inverted comma and then single inverted comma close. You can observe here guys, already I told that there is a one XPath. XPath syntax is current node, tag name, at the rate, attribute equals to attribute value. Same here also. Double slash is the current node, input is the tag name, open at the rate, ID is the attribute, and email is the attribute value. Now you can see I got a one of one matches. Click on enter. You can observe email is the web element. Click on enter. You can observe email is the web element. Now control A and control C. Copy. So this is the today's highlight one is input. Here is the XPath. Now minimize the code and open the Eclipse IDE. Now I am following the driver dot find element by dot XPath double quotes control V. Inside the double quotes control V. Now dot I am giving the send key. Send keys is double quotes inside the double quotes Surya Tech 78787878 at the rate gmail.com. Gmail.com. So we all are know this line of code what it will happen. It is also enter the value inside the box semicolon. Now my another task is here I need to create a password and confirm password. Again enable the inspector and click on the password field. Now we can see here we are getting a input has password. Now ID equals to password. ID equals to password. Double click. Password was highlighted separately. Control C for copy. Control S. Now you can see Control V. Total 9 matches we are getting. So when we are getting the 9 matches, we can go for the X path. Again, I'm following the same syntax. Current node and the tag name is input. Tag name is input. Open at the rate ID equals to single inverted comma and then single inverted comma close and close the whole X path. Now we are getting a one of one matches. Now control A, control C, copy. Here I'm minimizing the page. Now driver dot find element by dot XPath and inside the double quotes control V. So here is the password XPath value. Now, so inside this I'm going for the send keys. Send keys are inside the double quotes. My password is 4 and then semicolon. Now, finally, now we are getting the final one. So this is the register is the button. Register is the button. Mm, okay. So now here register is the button. So enable the inspector and click on the register button. So here is the another register. Here is the another register. This is the link and this is the button. This is the link and this is the button. Now you can see it was getting in a inside a, but you can see here ID equals to register button. Control C and control Yes. So control V. How many matches we are getting here?
One matches.
ఒక్క నిమిషం ఉన్నది ఇంకా కన్ఫర్మ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఏంటండి ఇది ఏమి ఇంటర్నెట్ లో ఉంటాయో. Okay guys, here we are getting a one matches with a register button. Now we need now driver dot find element by dot id. Here I am taking the id. Now id value is inside the double quotes control V. What we need to do here? Dot click. Dot click. We need to use dot click here. Okay. So now you can observe the whole program, guys. So we are prepared the script for the each and every field. Now click on run and click on OK. So if you can save, it was not showing the message. So page was open, and then now you can see each and every field will be filling automatically. Now you can observe, guys, here Surya Tech 787878 at gmail.com. So what is the meaning of this page? Now our register page was successfully done and the user was successfully registered. You can see, guys. So this is the username. This is the user name. Okay. Okay guys. So this is about register page.